So it's just about 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. and we're about to take the fan parade lap, I guess it's called, on the Ducati Island. And you get one of these wrist buttons right here. You go to check in right there. You have to show your insurance, your license, and you gotta sign the waiver. So there's people waiting right here. It's gonna happen around 6:30. They're gonna take us out, escort us out to the track. So I just wanted to kind of give you a quick update, see how it goes. There is some pull bikes here. People, all kind of backgrounds and different type of bikes, and you know, from scramblers to Diablos to, you know, 999s, the V2s, V4s, multistradas. So it's actually pretty awesome. I'm pretty stoked about it. So the Ducati Island closes at 5, so does your gear check. So keep that in mind if you're doing your gear check. But again, got about half an hour to go, and people are taking pictures over there. I'll show you right behind them if you can see right there with their bikes. So we did that earlier too. Now we're just sitting a little bit in the shade because it's been hot. You know, from having the 3 days of rain, it's actually been pretty hot today. So, all right, I'll check in right before we take off.